Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Equalizer preset for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application. And of course your headphone should be turned on and connected to your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu, and you need to go to the sound at the middle top. And right here at the top we have equalizer presets. We have 6 equalizer presets what QCY offer for us, so just select the best one for you. Let's say I prefer rock preset and tap at this preset. And now we just change it, so we can also change it to custom preset if you create one. I don't have right now, so I cannot use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.